I am here with another one from the, did you guess it? Did you guess it? Nadula Hair. Okay, so I'm coming through with the Nadula Hair situation. Not only did they provide us with this beautiful robe, we got some wig caps, which I'm going to use today. We got 2 edge wraps, 1 Nadula. We got a bonnet, lashes, and makeup brush, which I'm excited about. Oops, sorry guys. So let me dig on into this. I am coming through. Red hair has been my thing this season, okay? And I got another one, and I'm super excited because I think I'm going to do this one a little bit different. I am coming through with this Nadula Hair Auburn Brown, okay? Kinky Straight wig. Did you hear me in the back, honey boo? She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, lace in the back, adjustable straps. Wakanda forever. They said it's coming. They said it's coming. Okay. And this is a 13x4 lace front wig. Take a look at the lace. Looks actually really good. She's a little white. She's a little white. Just a little bit. But that's okay because I'm going to get it right on together. Oh, I like this. It's a really sheer cap. I kind of like that though. It's like they changed it. We're going to get the ball cap method done. And then I'm going to go on through and straighten this unit out as best I can because I really want her to be very bone straight. And then we'll see what she's looking like on the other side. So this unit at 150% density and 24 inches is going for about $280, okay? So she is an investment. Like, let's be honest, mama's an investment. But we love this color for the season. It's going to last, which is nice. Like we love, I love this color. I like that it's straight color throughout. I'm just going on through and I'm just going to. All right, my loves, let's dig on into this Nadula 13x4 lace front Kinky Straight 33B red brown auburn copper wig. I'm not even kidding y'all. It says all of that on the website. This unit is 150% density, okay? She's 24 inches, the unit that I have, and she's currently going for $278.51, okay, for that price. Don't you worry. You can do 4 interest-free payments on Klarna, Afterpay, or Zip for $69.62. Yes, I did the math for you. Okay, so I am going on through and getting this wig together, honey. What I want to do is make sure I get in and get those kinks out of the, I don't even like the word kinks. I kind of want to straighten out the waves a little bit out of the hair. I'm using BioSilk because BioSilk is really good as a heat protectant and also kind of makes the hair silky and it smells good as hell. So I'm going to leave all of that in the description. It'll be in my Amazon storefront if you want to pick it up, as well as everything else I'm using in this review. So I'm going through, straightening her out. I really do love the way this unit feels. I wanted to do the bald cap method because this is red hair. You want to really make sure that you have like a seamless install. And in order to do that, you have to get the base right, okay? So that's what we're doing with our bald cap. I'm going on through, making sure she's neat and nice. I'm using my Ibn wig bond, okay, to get her all the way together in the red can. I'll also leave my Ibn code below. This unit, get into the lace, is amazing, okay? Why am I singing on here? Am I really trying to get like Adele or something? But I am really into this. I'm gonna glue her down again using our Ibn wig bond, excuse me. And really go on through and just make sure she's not crunching much, okay? Especially not for the first few days. Now, I got this unit together to wear her down, but the reality is she stayed up on my head for at least, is it 84 hours or 86 hours? Mother was living her full life, okay? Her full black, brown, red life. So I'm just going to go on through, get her together, give you guys a brief final look, and then I'm kind of going to get into giving you guys a ponytail. So I hope you're excited about the transition. So I'm coming through with this Nadula Hair Auburn wig, okay? She's 150% density, I believe. 24 inches. She's currently going for $280 just under $290, okay, on Nadula's website. What do we think? I went through and straightened mama out. She's a little 10 on the top. A little 10 on the top. But the only reason why that doesn't bother me is because this is Kinky Straight Hair. Okay, this is Kinky Straight Hair. So her being a little bit of thin, she's giving Weight Watchers, she's giving Jenny Craig, like she made the loss. She lost a little weight after I, you know, went through with the flat iron or whatever the case may be. So I'm really into this though. I feel like the lace is really pretty. Ooh. I'm really into it. Ooh, look at the lace, honey. And that's just me flipping her on back. I did go through and do the ball cap method, but that's because I knew, since this is red hair, I really wanted to give her a seamless. I didn't want the pubes sticking out the side of the bathing suit, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. I be trying to teach y'all something. I'm trying to put a little candy in the medicine, okay? So this unit is really, really beautiful. Now, she is nice to the touch. The texture of the hair is fascinating. I'm not too keen on the texture of the hair, if I'm being 1000% honest. However, I do think she's really, really beautiful. Like, really beautiful. I think that the lace was stunning. Even more than that, I love the cap that they provided. It was a really sheer wig cap. And I think that it makes a big difference when you're doing a ball cap method. But I'm into this. I'm going to turn around. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Let me know if y'all see my tracks in the back or my bra, because y'all know I love to show y'all my bra. But let me see. I'm kind of, I don't know. I want to know what you guys think. I straightened her out. I'm kind of glad that I did. Last time I curled her up, but I wanted to show that, you know, you could give a thick, sexy, love, sex, and magic look, okay, with Kinky Straight Hair. Like, we could be cute and sexy and sleek and shiny with Kinky Straight Hair, too, okay? This color is everything. Everything. I mean, out the scalp, she's everything. Are you picking her up?